Right now, there's a small window where you can generate cinematic AI videos completely free with quality that would have cost thousands just a year ago. No subscription, no credits, no paywall. And before you roll your eyes, I thought this was just another overhyped tool too. So I stress tested it. I built horror shorts. I tested cinematic suspense scenes. I tried ASMR-style travel visuals, and I pushed it to see where it breaks. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it can do, what it can't do, and how to use it intelligently before the free access changes. Because the real opportunity isn't the tool, it's how you use it. Let's get into it. The platform we're using is Arena.ai. It used to be known as LMA Arena, but it recently rebranded and rolled out major upgrades. What makes it interesting is this. It gives you access to multiple AI video models inside one dashboard. You can generate text to video, image to video, cinematic scenes, built-in ambient audio, all inside one interface. That's rare for a free platform. Step 1. Accessing it. Go to Google, search for Arena.ai. Log in with your Gmail. No Discord verification, no hidden payment page. Once inside, click on Generate Videos. Now, let's test it properly. Step 2. Generate a cinematic AI video. Instead of typing something basic, let's be intentional. I'm entering this prompt. An abandoned Victorian mansion hallway lit only by candlelight, camera slowly moving forward, faint whispering echoing in the distance, unsettling cinematic horror atmosphere, dramatic shadows, realistic textures. Notice what I'm doing. Specific location, defined lighting, camera movement, emotional tone, texture detail. This is how you get professional-looking output. Hit Generate. It usually creates 2 versions, and honestly, the lighting feels cinematic, the motion feels deliberate, and it includes ambient audio automatically. Yes, there's a watermark at the end, but it's typically in the final seconds. Trim it in your editor, and you're clean. Simple. Testing different styles. Let's push the range. Cinematic suspense example. A lone detective standing under a flickering streetlight in 1940s London. Heavy rain pouring, noir cinematic lighting, slow camera push-in, tense atmosphere, moody background ambience. This immediately feels like a Netflix intro scene. ASMR travel example. POV. Sitting alone in a quiet Japanese mountain village at sunrise, soft wind moving through trees, warm golden light, peaceful cinematic realism, subtle ambient nature sounds. Notice the emotional direction. That's what separates amateur AI content from professional AI storytelling. Now, let's talk reality. Free tools change, limits can appear, features can move behind paywalls. So instead of building your entire strategy around one platform, use this for testing niches, building proof of concept, creating short-form batches, validating audience response. The smart play is using leverage, not dependency. If you want this to go beyond cool AI clips, here's the framework. 1. Script first. Use AI to generate a short, tight script. Horror, suspense, calm narration. The script drives retention. 2. Break into scenes. Ask AI to convert your script into cinematic scene prompts. Specify style, lighting, tone, character consistency. Then generate each scene inside Arena.ai. 3. Add professional voiceover. For voice generation, tools like Google Gemini offer advanced tone direction. Add style instructions like whispered suspense, slow dramatic pacing, calm meditative tone. Voice is everything in storytelling niches.
Every night at exactly 3:17 a.m., the scratching inside the walls starts again. And tonight, it's louder.
4. Assemble smartly. Import scenes into your editor, trim watermark, match visuals to narration, Add captions for retention. Keep pacing tight, no unnecessary effects. What actually makes this work? After testing this across niches, here's the truth. The AI model is not the secret. Three things matter more: your first 3 seconds, emotional tone consistency, and narrative pacing. Most creators obsess over models. Authority creators obsess over retention. Best niches for this tool. Based on testing, it performs best in horror micro-stories, dark suspense scenes, ASMR travel storytelling, meditation visuals, before and after transformations. It's ideal for rapid concept testing. The bigger opportunity. Right now, tools like Arena.ai give creators production power that used to require teams and budgets. But tools are temporary. Storytelling skill is permanent. If you want to win long-term, develop recurring formats, build recognizable style, focus on audience loyalty. Think beyond just uploads. Free AI tools are leverage, they are not the business. Yes, you can create unlimited AI videos for free right now. The quality is real, the access is open, the opportunity window exists. But the creators who'll win won't be the ones generating the most videos. They'll be the ones building systems around them. If you're serious about using AI strategically, not just chasing tools, subscribe. Now, tell me, what niche would you build first?